Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Watch Latest. I hope you all the guys are doing well and enjoying the best videos. So in this video I have brought the beautiful collection of transparent lingerie, and beautiful lingerie sets are available in this video. So before starting my video, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. So as you can see, here is some beautiful lingerie sets are available in different colors. If we talk about their stuff is so soft and made up of a very beautiful sheer stuff and soft look. So you can wear these beautiful outfits. These lingerie sets are made up of very soft silk that is very easy to wear at night, and there are multiple designs are available in these lingerie sets. The net designs in black look so gorgeous and give you such a awesome look. So viewers, watch this video till end so you can get updated by all the new fashion collection. And if you want to buy these outfits, you can visit out the online websites. You can visit out the amazon.com or shein.com, and there are multiple choice for you. These beautiful trendy transparent lingerie sets are try on haul, and it looks so awesome. There are multiple dresses are also available in lingerie. So do like and share more and more videos, and do comments that which type of videos you like the most.